Hey, what's up? This is Felicity here for After Effects course, and welcome to another very exciting video. How to import or how to add 3D model in After Effects without using third-party plugin. I mean, without using Element 3D plugin. So let's start. First, create a new composition and right here test, and don't forget you must go to 3D render, change from classic 3D to advanced 3D, because in this section you can enable 3D models and materials, environment, light, shadows. So click OK, and now double click here, go to desktop and select aeroplane. This is the materials part, and there is the OBJ. I mean, you can import a 3D model like a OBJ. Click import, and there drop to composition, and you have a small window. It means go to advanced, and don't forget you can change to meters and go to basic, and there make comp size. Take a look to model, go back to advanced and change to Z axis, and next go back to basic, select do not affect the position, and then click OK. Okay guys, and now right click, go to create a camera. Don't forget, select the camera 35mm and click OK. And now you can control the airplane. Select the airplane, and there you can control the camera, and there you can control the airplane. I mean, for moving the airplane, press V on keyboard to move the airplane X, Y, Z, and control the rotate, press W to rotate the airplane like this. So if you need to control the camera, there you have track, dolly, orbit. Dolly, control, move, and there is the orbit. You can control like this. Okay guys, if you need to animate with 3D sky, it's very easy and simple. Take a look if you need to animate. So select, press P for the position, and first move right there.
What?
Stopwatch, go to 3 seconds. Take a look, I have 30-second composition. Press Ctrl K and change to 0.3. In 3 seconds I need to move the airplane from right side to left side like this. And now time to animate the camera. Select the camera, take a look, press or expand the option, stopwatch all transforms, and rotate like this. Play now. Here is. So how to add sky? Press Ctrl plus Y right here, horizon, enter, go to effects, go to where, so select horizon, click on effects and presets, click here and write ramp. Ramp, double click, change the sky color like this, and change the bottom one like this. Move it down here, and now play. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to import 3D model and control 3D model in After Effects without plugins.